I cover myself with the blood of, I don't want to mention that name. See, like I tell you, Kakuka Crash Temple where they see like this, even on our own holy men, some of them, they part of our brotherhood. If you don't know now, you know, say, I supposed to be pastor. I hope you know. Maybe you don't know, but I supposed to be pastor. Now, waiting they be assigned me before, but I don't fit. Because I take Kakuka Crash, me, I know they're good at pretending. Anybody may know me before know me. I best way to say I too they real. I know they're good at pretending. So I say I know feel do like say I be man of God, come on pastor, come they like come they and the taxes for that one, the blessings for that one put top notch, but the things where they involved there. So man. Hello. This is super story. Me self, the time we be say my man she will be say they been initiate me into Kakuka Crash brotherhood. They tell me all these things. I just they laugh. Until I go there, they give me the first ring when I swallow. Now that time my mind can't day. 39? You still look as if you are in your 20s. You see? That is one thing with Kakuka Crash Temple. They go they take care of you, but they look fresh, you go they bojum. You understand? Like now currently, if you join Kakuka Crash Temple, like for appreciation, say you come, they'll give you 20 million naira. Which temple or which team where you go join, where be say for now, they will give you 20 million naira cash. So you join them. And they go they take care of you, they make sure say they fresh. If they look for wife, they will give you. If they look for shima, they go give you. Anything they look for, they go give you. Good health, give you. You know if you say you did for Kakuka Crash, you go say you know well for body. Before bad thing happen to you, they don't see him on your behalf. And you say if you don't see him, you understand? See before for my past life, I be the face physical attacks. I mean spiritual attacks, sorry. Spiritual attacks. In the night like this. Sometimes if I won't wake up from bed, some beings don't appear, they tight my neck. You understand? They go they tight my neck like this, they go on pie me. You understand? Sometimes like this, that time if I won't sleep, if I don't sleep like this, I don't go to sleep deep. Because anything will make me sleep deep. They go use the opportunity, almost on pie me. You understand? Sometimes I go wake up like this from after spiritual attacks, I don't see wound for my body. Now I escape. You understand? So I'm not be only say based on say I define make coast clear for me. I believe protect myself as well. And I make my join Kakuka Crash. Shaking my man shit. Now them they make me fresh and young like this now. I'm in my 39, 6 months. What Kakuka Crash cannot do does not exist though. Head born, everywhere don't scatter, you understand? First of all, I want like thank Mazi, Tunde North, the Kingmaker, I really appreciate. Since you posted my video yesterday, I've received a lot of words of encouragement. Yes, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. And may God bless you in everything you do. May God grant you more wealth, long life, prosperity. So shall it be. He said. 39? You still look as if you are in your 20s. You see? That is one thing with Kakuka Crash Temple. They go they take care of you, go they look fresh, you go they bojum. You understand? Like now currently, if you join Kakuka Crash Temple, like for
olóyàn bàbá rí àfi ní wọ́n yí ìsàlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ o awọ fẹ́lẹ́ mọ̀mọ́ bonú èmọ̀mọ̀ já arékùn àṣebí o egbọ́n rú tọmọkùnrin ń sọ ṣé mo yí ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára ni ara tá à ń sọ rẹ ni o mo fẹ́ dàbí lágbájá mo fẹ́ dàbí tàmọ̀dò ǹjọ́ o lè ṣe bí lágbájá tó yí o fẹ́ dà ní ǹjọ́ o lè ṣe bí tàmọ̀dò tó yí o fẹ́ dà ní òun lágbájá tọ́ bọ̀ ibi ó tẹsẹ̀ bọ̀ ǹjọ́ o lè tẹsẹ̀ bọ̀ ṣé n rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ ti yá lágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá kàn sáré nítorí pé ṣe ni lágbájá mẹ́ra mọ́tò, omi kọ́lé, omi ṣe gbogbo rẹ̀, ọkàn á sáré kú ni o. Ẹni wọn á kàn dẹ̀ sáré kú, ìwọ̀n lè pé 40. Ìwọ ó wá tuntun hàn àṣírí kọ̀ọ̀kan. Gbogbo èèyàn ńláńlá tí ń wò pé kíní tó jẹ́ pásítọ̀ gan, ìyẹn wà nínú ohun tó ń ṣe. Tó jẹ́ pọ̀n gan ṣerú rẹ̀. So ti wá rí pé ìwọ̀n bá mọ̀ lérí ẹ̀dá mọ̀mọ́ láyé o. Ìwọ mọ̀ ní kó mọ̀ bí o mérè o, kó mọ̀ bí o ti bọ̀. Wọ́n yí rántí ọmọ ẹni tó o ṣe. Ẹni mọ̀ ní ìyá àmọ́ dágbó ẹ̀yìn. Ìwọ ìmọ̀jẹ̀mẹ̀gbà ńlá kòkò yẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti gbogbo yẹn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá. Àti gbogbo yẹn tètè subscribe àti yẹn tẹ̀ mọ́ wo fọ́nrán rẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè, èmi àṣìṣe o. Kàyéfì ńlá mọ̀mọ́ nìyẹn o. Gbogbo yẹn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, gbogbo yẹn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá. Wọ́n yí bí ènìyàn bá rìn dé, ibẹ̀ ló máa mọ̀ dé o. Gbọ́, ẹni bá kàn sáré tẹ́ bá mọ bí ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ti là, eré mọ̀mọ́ la sákò. Ṣé ń gbọ́rọ̀ ọmọkùnrin yẹn sọ? Ṣé rí pé ilé ayé mọ̀mọ́ ti yá lágbára bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé rí wọn ẹlòmíì tọ́ bọ̀ tẹ́ fi lówó? Ìyá kan rẹ̀ lómìn. Ọmọdé tá a lo mọ́tò dẹ̀ndẹ̀ á kọ́lé ńlá ẹsẹ̀ gbogbo rẹ̀. Máa Nàìjíríà náà gbogbo orí á wà. Ara sọlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni dé ààrẹ lómìn. Adé àdán fún adé ẹsẹ̀ gbogbo.
I love your videos, please don't die. Omo, I no go reach 40 o. You understand? I know it I put my hand to, so I no go reach 40. So definitely I go buy soonest. So, well, that will not be wild, that will not be shaky. Agreement na agreement. I don't agree to my level. They will say na wetin I want. So if na they talk about buying, I go buy soonest now. So just chill. God bless. You will not die. The universe will grant you long life and more money. See, agreement is agreement. You understand? I don't already sign am. Now me even sign myself. See, one thing why I like with Kakuka Crash Temple be say, you know they like all this Naija, you know, they things so they no go tell you what they involve first. Now after you can enter, you understand? They go tell you everything where they involve. So they tell me everything where they involve. You understand? If I use Shima run am, you understand? I go to use Shima they renew, but I say no, I don't want to use Shima they renew anything. I don't want to use Shima. I don't want to use anybody do plus. I want to use myself. You understand? If I use Shima now or whatsoever now, if I use Shima now, they say now Shima I did not whatever I go use. So if I use Shima, at least you know it could prolong me, but I don't want to use anybody get. So I want to use myself because I know myself. It's get away this life don't time again. So I want to use myself. So see, once before I reach 40 years, I'll celebrate my last birthday with Crash Temple. As far as the agreement take me, then now me go use my own hand by myself. You understand? Yes. Or they go help me. They go help me call doctor to inject me, you know, do me assistance. They will just find me, you understand? But if I don't find myself before that time, then the things will go do me no be here. And those things will go do me here, it go be like say I go struggle before I buy maybe one kind big thing like, you know, I go struggle before I buy. In terms of maybe, you know, all this kind of thing go do your body, you know, going to feel where, you know, all those kind of thing. So but I'm gonna just cool, respect myself, go in peace. Agreement is agreement. All thanks to Kakuka Crash, they never feel me, they never let me down. You understand? So make I tell you something people don't put their hands for things. All these people you say they don't put their hands, a lot of them don't put their hands. Because not everybody gets coast clearing phrase for their life. Some people they have to do things for coast to declare for them. which is like me. So you no go blame me. I no go blame myself. Come on.
ìwọ fàǹfààní yẹn tètè subscribe sórí ètò ó ní kinní kan bí aago bẹ́ẹ̀ tán ìléyìnbó pè ní notification bell ìmọ̀ tẹ kinní aago nǹkan on notification bell yẹn sílẹ̀ kéèyàn náà kí n lè àjàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá sórí ètò ìwọ ìṣe ẹ̀fọ́nrán káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé ẹ mọ̀ síbi ènìyàn mọ̀ ti yẹ kọ́gbọ́n ìyẹn òbí ìmọ̀bọ́mọ yín sọ̀rọ̀ o ibi ọmọ ẹlòmíì mọ̀mọ́ tẹsẹ̀ bọ̀ òbí rẹ̀ àtijọ́ mọ̀mọ́ ti dáyé mọ̀mọ́ débẹ̀ rí o ọlọ́run elédùmarè má jà sí ṣe o ìwọ kí n ṣe ẹ̀fọ́nrán kan gbogbo ọmọ yín ibi ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé èdè dúró mọ̀mọ́ ti kọjá ká máa jíṣẹ́ ẹ̀rọ kan fún nìyẹn nítorí yẹ kí ìwọ gan fojú ara rẹ rí ni ìwọ ibi tá a rí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ rèé o bí bá tó ṣe lọ àtọ́jẹ́ kí a gbọ́ ire o.